Good afternoon, everyone. Entrepreneurship is all about following your dream, about having a passion, about doing what you really believe in. And the word of caution that I had in my head was that I don't at any point of time want to drive away that passion from the gathering. And I know a lot of people here are actually aspiring entrepreneurs through Devika's poll. So the first thing that I decided to do was, I thought, let me just give you examples of two simple ideas that we have probably implemented in Cars on Rent as an organization, which have helped us and which I think in a lot of ways are can be implemented in a lot of organizations, in a lot of new ventures, to say. So the first thing is, when we started off, we were an organization which was considered overambitious because we were trying to venture into an industry which was largely content with the way it was working, an industry which was heavily unorganized in its space, where most car rental companies were essentially mom and pop stores which were operating out of some corner in the city. And they really had nothing new to offer to any of their customers, be it corporates, hotels, individuals, anywhere. So the first thing that we said was we need to be able to change the way people look at car rental organizations. And no matter how much we try to explain this to our well-wishers, and we said that we can really change the face of the car rental industry, I think everyone had a cautious eye. We had a lot of us wishing us well, but everyone had a cautious eye to it. But the first and most important thing that we did was we said, let's invest in aspects that improve the face of this industry. We invested in technology, we invested in training the manpower. And those two key activities helped us improve the way people looked at us as a car rental company. We were in a space where there were n number of companies who were doing the same thing. But when we approached customers, when we approached corporates with an idea that, you know what, we are going to give you a centralized reservation system, we are going to give you a network, we're going to give you, we have really invested in this industry like people seriously invest in sort of large organizations. I think that really got the attention of a lot of corporates. And that allowed us to gain the market share that we are at right now. We were also able to, in a large manner, we actually became the first company in the car rental segment to actually receive venture funding because Sidbi Ventures really saw merit in what we were doing in spite of being in this industry. So what I'm trying to say is that, no matter how much you sort of say that, there is the profit is the real reason why a lot of people get into a particular business. I think profit is only a result of an idea. The purpose of your venture is what is important, and you need to be able to convince yourself and all your stakeholders about it. Another important aspect of our venture has been the consistent effort to align our stakeholders with the business. And align them in the best manner possible. One of the key things and one of the peculiarities of our business is that we deal with a workforce which is the drivers, who actually were, until some time, were used to working in car rental companies in a very employer-employee sort of a relationship. They were a salaried employee. Their only interest in the organization was that when I drive for a month, this is the salary that I'm going to get at the end of it. And they really had no interest in becoming sort of representatives of the organization. So the first thing that we did, and this was after a lot of thought, was that we need to get these people aligned to our business. We need to help them see merit in the company growing. Otherwise, we'll never be able to grow to the size that we aspire to. We actually decided to consider these drivers as business associates and as partners to our business. We align their earnings to the actual earnings of the car that they are driving. We made them responsible for the maintenance of the vehicles. And that really helped them take an entrepreneurial stand to our business and to, in turn, their business. That has, in fact, allowed us to today have business associates in the form of drivers to a tune of over 6,000, and I call all of them entrepreneurs. I think so what I'm trying to say here again is that if you need to run a business venture, it is important that your partnerships are well aligned. It's very easy to go and buy a service from the market when you're starting off as an entrepreneur, but that's only an initial sort of ease that you find. In the long run, it's important that everybody who you require a service from is aligned to your business. And that has sort of helped us a lot. So yes, I think these are the two things that I really wanted to stress on, and I hope to be able to contribute more when we have the discussion. Thank you so much.